Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 not launching when you click on play button. So when you click on play button and still your game is not launching, then here follow the fixes to solve this problem. So what you have to do, first close the Steam. Also close the Steam from here. Right click on Steam icon and then click on exit Steam. Now right click on Steam and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Just wait, your Steam is launching. Once your Steam launches, go to library, go to Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and then click on play button. This time your game will launch. If still your problem is not solved, then launch the game from the game installation folder. So right click on Call of Duty and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now here look for COD exe file and then right click on this and then select run as administrator and see if that helps or not. So by this way you can fix Black Ops 7 not launching when clicking on play button. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.